Hi, now I'm going to show you how to set up your timing chain on N47 D20. How to set it correctly, because a lot of people doing it wrong because they don't time the fuel pump. Fuel pump must be timed 45 degrees off top dead center of crankshaft. So I'm going to show you how to do it without any special tools, without any guides here and here. So first thing you need to do, you need to know that this is crankshaft, and if you see, the first and the last is lined with this hole. This hole, it's lined, if you see, and the hole is on the left side of this pin. So this hole will be our top dead center. It's right here, it's this hole. If this hole will be like this, it will be our top dead center, but we need 45 degrees. If you see, there are holes, and this is 90 degrees, you see, and this is 45 degrees. This and this, it's 45 degrees. So we need to put this like here. We need to mark it, these two holes. We need to line with the top of camshaft, like this. Now when we have these two holes lined with this, we can now put on this gear chain and this gear. It's easier to do it without these chain guides, but I have already Loctite them in. I don't wanna take it off. So now we have our chain on. This mark is facing to this mark, and this is 45 degrees. Yes, so it should be like this. Now we can put our chain guide on like this, and put some Loctite on a bolt like this. Yes, like this. Tie this bolt to 20 Newton meters. These bolts too. Fuel pump bolt to 70 Newton meters. You can hold it. You can hold it like this, and then we can remove this pin. It's tight, and set top dead center on crankshaft. So I need both hands. So now it's perfect, like here and here, something like that. You need to mark these dots together, and your camshaft is now in a top dead center. You can check it right here. There are flat surfaces right here and here. They must be 90 degrees to that surface, and you can check it like this, that these corners are like this, flat with the cylinder head. If you have it like I have, you can put this upper chain. I need both hands again. If you have it, you can check it that this must be in the middle. These holes must be in the middle of this like wide holes, You can check it like this. Okay, now we can put our chain guides here and here. Okay, so you can put your first chain guide here, and don't forget to put a lot of Loctite on these bolts. If not, it will be leaking right here. Tied it to 20 Newton meters like that, and now put the bottom tensioner guide here. Now I realized that 20 Newton meters is too much for these two bolts. I put there about 15 or something. Now we can secure this wheel with just hand tied these bolts. Once we have hand tied it like so, we can put our new tensioner here and tied it to 70 Newton meters. Okay, next step will be that we put our cover on, but first I need to put there some sealing and prepare it. I put some silicone there and here under the gasket. I'm gonna put it on like this. Okay, next we wanna put our flywheel on, but if you see, there is a lot of holes. On this side we have only these 4 holes are for torque converter. This hole is our mark. I like to put, this is 4.5 hex, and it perfectly sits to this hole, nearly no movement. And the other side perfectly sits here to this point. We put it there like this. There's no room, and put our torque converter, our flywheel here like this, and mark it like this. See, there is nearly no movement. It sits perfectly, and now we can tighten these 3 bolts. Tied it to 15 Newton meters. That's it. That's how you set your engine without special tools.